Stop scrolling for a second and check this out. You've never had honey like this. I'm talking about pure, raw Alabama honey that's been naturally infused with some flavorful twists. Ingredients like lavender, cinnamon, red chilies, even coffee beans. There's an infusion for every recipe because Gypsy Shoals Farm produces 9 infusion varieties for your taste buds to explore. This honey isn't heated or filtered like the stuff in plastic bears. We keep it raw, just the way nature made it, so it keeps all those good-for-you enzymes, antioxidants, and rich flavor. Then we take it a step further. We slowly infuse it with real, organic ingredients over time. No heat, no shortcuts, and definitely no fake artificial flavors. Just deep, natural taste in every single spoonful. We've got honey sticks, too. They're great for sampling, and those who don't want to commit to a whole bottle. No mess, no waste, just pure, portable deliciousness. So treat your taste buds and support sustainable small-batch honey makers. This isn't just honey. It's an experience in every bottle. Delicious bliss is just 1 teaspoon away. Head to Gypsy Shoals Farm website and explore the world of infused honey.